Hello, welcome back to Timmy's Trains. This video will be just showing you some 3D printed skips that I've made that are on the website. At the moment the 3D printer is just printing them. This is sped up because it does take a while. When they're finished printing, I will take them off and you'll see the cleanup process, see how that goes. Right, now it's printed. Just need to take the supports off really. Just a matter of snapping them off. Just pushing them down, take them off like that. And then any bits that haven't come off, just get the little snips and just have a little tidy up. Like so. Just check all the other edges, that's fine. And then there is little hairy bits of plastic. Probably can't see on the camera, it's inside. What you need to do is just get a heat gun, give it a quick blow and it melts it. Gets them all sorted. Missed a bit there. Okay, and next stage, last stage, is just to get the skips. They've all been trimmed, pile them up and just pop them into a bag, ready to be shipped off to the customer. Thanks for watching, hope you have a good one, and don't forget to check out timmystrains.co.uk.